Hi, welcome to Abbey Rock. We are going to show you our product, hand-tufted, custom-made carpet. These are the colors we have. More than 900 colors to choose your favorite carpet. This is a silk, this is a wool, and that's what we do. If you have any design you would like to make into carpet, this is the one. We have some samples. We do a paperwork, we make a carpet, then we make the sample. It's like this size. So this is the one we show to the customer, and the ones they approve, then we make it. This is the carpet recently we done it. It's a 3 by 5 meter. This is a Tundazak exchange. We put in one of the executive office. So these are one how we make the carpet. The artwork first, then the customer select the color combination, everything, all the design, and then this is all the design we have. We already done. This is the one different carpets. They have a pillars. Yes, we make the carpet and cut that one, and this is the one is another design. This is the one is one of the customer. He have a lift. He wanted to put this carpet, so we cut the carpet and make exactly it's like the customer required. So these are all the design we make it for the customer. This is our original carpet. You can have a look. This is the one use the silk and wool, and that's another one. This is called cut pile and loop pile. So these are loop pile, and the cut pile is all embossed. You can see the design is we use a silk. This another one is all silk, and here we trim to highlight this design. That's another one. This is a cut pile, and this is wool, and this is a silk. We make the customer for these are all the samples. That's another one. This is a gold color. We make it sharper. So this is any color you have. This is the one is you can see our brand is here, and this is another one. It's a cut pile. This is silk strip, and that's the rest is wool. So if you have any design you would like to make the carpet for your according to your taste, you have a photo, you have any magazine picture, give it to us. We can make the design and show to you, and you can choose the color from our 900 colors. So please, any quotation, any info you need, just give us a call. We have our website is www.abbyrux.com. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.